Hello dear student. Today our subject is grammar. In Unit 3, Lesson 1, we are going to talk about past simple passive. Using the passive voice, what is the usage of past simple passive? The passive is used when the person or thing that did the action is a noun, unimportant, or not the focus of our interest. In another word, we can say you want to emphasize the receiver of the action or the result of the action, not the doer of the action. So, what is the form of past simple passive? This is the active voice of past simple. We have subject at the beginning, and then we have verb past, and then we have object. When we want to change this active voice, active form to the passive one, we just move the object of the sentence and put at the initial of the second sentence, in passive voice. And then we write was and were, and after that we change the verb from past simple to the past participle, and then we may have by agent if we want to mention the doer of the action. And also we use was with the singular object. If we have here an object here which is singular, we use was, and were with the plural object. And this is the explanation of the forms of past simple passive. In order to change sentence from active to passive, first we should write this object at the beginning. Then if it's singular, we write was. If it's plural, we write were. Finally, we write the past participle of the verb, as we mentioned it in the form of past simple passive here. Look at these examples. This is active voice. Linda cleaned the room. How do you know this is past? Because we have cleaned here and it takes ed. This is past simple. How can we change this sentence from past simple active to passive? We write the room. The room is an object at the beginning, and then because the room is singular, we say, or we write was, and then we write the past participle of the verb, which is cleaned. It remains the same because it's regular. Just take ed, and then you can mention the subject like that. You can say by Linda. This is the passive voice. The second example: the boy ate an apple. We say an apple was eaten by the boy. This is passive voice. The teacher taught the students. The students here an object. We say the students. Because it's plural, we say were, and then we write the past participle of the verb, which is taught by the teacher. We say the students were taught by the teacher. Another example: John found the car key. The car key is an object and a singular. That's why we say the car key was found. This is the passive verb. We have some more examples, like this is an active sentence. Early humanists invented the first tools. Early humanists is the subject, invented is verb, and the first tools are, or the first tools is an object. We write the first tools in passive voice at the beginning. We say the first tools were invented because it's plural. That's why we use were, and then we write the past participle of the verb invented. It remains the same because it's a regular verb. By early humanists. The first tools were invented by early humanists. Another example: Tom wrote some books. Some books here an object. In passive voice, we write some books at the beginning. We say some books because it's plural. We have s here, and we say were. And we change the verb wrote, this is past simple, to the past participle, and it became written. We say some books were written by Tom. Another example, a forgotten people constructed Stonehenge. We say Stonehenge because it's singular, we say was constructed by a forgotten people. The summary, the passive voice used to indicate that the grammatical subject of the verb is the recipient, not the source of the action. This is the general rule of past simple passive. We have an object at the beginning and then we have was and or where, or we can say was or where. It depends on the subject, the object that we wrote at the beginning. And then we have past participle of the verb. It means we change the verb to the past participle form. Look at this example. This is the active voice. Tom watched the film. Tom subject here. Watched is the verb and the film is an object. We move the film, or we can say we write the film at the beginning in the passive voice. We say the film because it's singular, we say was, and then we change the verb to the past participle. Watch it remain the same because as we said, watch it is the regular verb, just take ed, and the passive voice is the film was watched. That's all. Thanks for your listening and watching.